So here's the thing about tabbouleh. When you buy it at the supermarket, it's quite pricey. But when you make it at home, it's super cheap. Why not make it at home?
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to dice your shallots and douse them in lime juice. It's about 1/4 cup of shallots and 1/4 cup of lime juice. After that, you're going to chop your mint and your parsley. Then you're going to dice your cucumbers. Slice them in matchsticks and then just slice them on the other way until you have cubes. After that, you're going to slice your cherry tomatoes. You can slice them as small as you want. I sliced them in half because these cherry tomatoes were already very small. Now you have your mise en place. Now let's go to the quinoa. First, you're going to rinse the quinoa very thoroughly and toast it over high to medium heat. So you're going to want to hear a little pop sound when you know that's how you know that the quinoa is already ready. So this is 1/2 cup of quinoa. For every 1/2 cup, you want to double in liquid. So 1/2 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of water. Add the water, get it to a raging boil, and then you're going to cover it and lower the heat. Once all of the liquid is absorbed, turn off the heat and let that steam for about a minute, and you're gonna have very fluffy and nice quinoa like this. After you're just gonna let it cool for a bit and add all of your mise en place. So add your tomatoes, add your cucumbers, and add your herbs. When that is mixed, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil, so about 2 tablespoons, and about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you don't have kosher salt, use sea salt. Just don't use iodized salt. Then add your shallots and mix.
And that's it, and that's how you make quinoa tabbouleh and fluffy quinoa. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one, or you'll see me on the next one. I'm not quite sure how this works yet, but thanks, and I'll see you. Bye.